just want to create cute oils and sensual conjurings, but my ancestors are calling me to build a mock black liberation city with a whole plan of how to resist, how to defend, how to be self-sufficient, how to preserve history, what materials to build with, the city planning structure of what the city would look like, what the community centers will withhold, and what type of community leaders will we need to sustain it. Um, Researching strategy and war and resistance and armed struggle. I'm like, girl, I'm into glamour magic and reading, but this is what you want me to do. So if anybody has resources for AI city planning mock-ups, please let me know so I can get this done, because they really trying to get me down bad until I get this project done. LUAD_village on Instagram. I already started it if you want to check it out.